Listen to me and put down the knife. There is so much more to live. Don't throw up your food after lunch. That's unhealthy. Love you too much. You're beautiful the way you are, and I know you go very far. I know that you just want to end it all, but I'm not gonna let you fall. Hold your head upside, walking down this hall. Baby, I know that it's hard, but you have to stay strong. I just know I will always be there. You can always count to me. Wherever you feel, don't even think you know what life. And just be strong, say hello to life. Listen to me and put down the knee. There is so much more to live.